Welcome to my channel, Peace, Love, and KaleGreens. My name is Shinray Lockley, aka Nakia Ray. And if you want to find out how I got these luscious, shiny, moisturized curls, continue watching.
Waiting on the opportunity and opportunist. Waiting on the opportunity and opportunist. Glass to the real, blue hunters for the field, food for the soul.
Today I'm going to wash my hair. I will show you what my hair looks like at this moment, which is a mess. Don't be talking about it. Don't say nothing. So originally I had this as a wash and go, and there's tons and tons of hair. So what I'm gonna do is prep it first. I will be using the Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder. There is not much left in this, like a quarter of the bottle, because I use this every single time I detangle my hair before I wash it. I have my Tangle Teezer Thick and Curly. Decided when I was at the store, I'm gonna try this Tangle Teezer. I didn't watch any reviews on it or anything, so I don't know much about it. And I'm there like, oh, I'll do my regular, and I'm combing it out. It was a fluke. Next section, combing it out. Hold up. This thing really worked. Also gonna get a little spray bottle full of water. No, it's just water. There ain't no oil in here. There ain't no oil, ain't no nothing else. Regular old bathroom tap water is in here. I ain't got the fancy one where I go. I got the keep on spraying it. So I'm gonna part it with my hands. So I'm gonna go and section it into 4 sections. As you can see, I am twisting my hair up into some Bantu knots, a loose, ugly one. I usually do a 2-strand twist when I do the Bantu knots, but it could have just been dry and knotty, and I didn't feel like dealing with that. I think I hadn't washed my hair in like 2 weeks and had it in a bun and it got all tangly. And so I just take it, twist it, put it in the bun. I make some ugly faces when I be trying to untangle it and stuff and combing it, and I be making some ugly faces. So as you can see, I'm spraying the section of hair and then smoothing it in with my hands from the end to the root. I need a clip. I always think I don't need no clip. Uh-oh, a little top part. All right, so take my Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder, put like a little bit. This is a little section. A little bit, start from the ends, work my way to the top. Anytime I comb my hair, I always start from the ends and I work my way up. Now, with this brush, I don't really gotta work too much, which is nice. I feel like I need a little bit. My man is loud. It's hard to, con, because you know, everything got their pros, everything got their cons. Now, they have the one with the handle. I didn't get that one. Could have been because it was more expensive. I don't know. Sometimes, you know, it's one of them things. You see a pack of chicken, one costs $5.99, the other costs $5.79. I'm picking the one that's $5.79. So I'm pretty sure the one with the handle costs a little bit more, probably only about like $2 or something. I said, I'm gonna get this one, but it is a little a bit hard to hold. I mean, it's good. You know, I got a little resting spot here. Put your hand in, but I mean, I don't know. I'm trying to see if you was left-handed, if that would be good. And so then we are smoothed out. So, and that is how. Make sure all the tangles out. And I go to this next section. So I will see you back when I get to the front. Okay, so I am separating the sections, putting in the product from the ends to the root, and then I'm also combing from the ends all the way up to the root. The reason why you do this way is so you don't pull your hair out, because if you start from the root to the ends, it just pulls your hair. So the proper way to actually comb is start from the ends, get the tangles out to the root. Okay, so just make a twist whenever I'm done with this section. I'm done detangling it. I keep the twist in when I go in the shower, and I actually wash each section and twist. So I take one twist down, shampoo, conditioner, twist it back up. Do it for all 4 sections. Okay, so I put that in a knot, and I separated the next section, spray it with water, separate product, and then coming out from the ends to the root. Add more product into the root, separate it a little to get it into each section, depending on how large of the section I have, and then back to combing it. And I'm going to keep reiterating from the ends to the root, and then you keep brushing it till it smooths through. Do a twist, put it in a bun, and now I'm at the front, spraying that, smoothing it in, getting some moisture in it. Okay, so I'm in the front now. Spray it with some water. Try to separate it also. Take my detangler. Bottom to the top. Do this. Separate it and smooth through. Depends on how big the section is for me to do that. If it's a smaller section, I don't do it. But this one's decently moist chunk. Take a section, separate it, walk it over there. Start from the ends, work my way out to the root. As you can see, this brush is like butter. Especially when you comb it properly, it's like starting from the ends and working your way to the root. These is out by no time. By no time. Alright, the next section, my butter section. Clean our butter right back up. Nothing else. It'll go whoop. Curl on up. Give me another section. Okay, so I am finishing up this section, and all I'm doing is repeating the same steps that I did in the 2 previous sections. I'm spraying it down with water, adding the Diva Curl detangler, combing it through, twisting it down, and putting it into a knot. And now I'm on the last section, and I'm repeating the process over again. Once I'm done with all of the sections, I will go into the shower, I will wash my hair, and I will be back to show you what I do. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back from my shower. Nice clean face. Ding, ding. Fresh clothes, minus cat fur. Okay, so I'll be putting in the leave-in conditioner from Pattern. And over top of the conditioner, I will be putting in the organic unrefined coconut oil from Spectrum. I will be doing a flat twist out. I do flat twist because it cuts down on frizziness. So they've been up in the twist for about 10 to 15 minutes. I don't put a towel over anything. I just, in the shower, wrap it back up in the twist, step out, air drive it, take them down. So I'm going to start with the back, and I will show you how I do the layers that I do. And then when I get to the front, I'll show you the twist. We'll split this in half. Twist this up. Cutting about this much. Leave-in conditioner. Start from my ends. Work my way up. When I do my flat twist, I don't use a comb or anything to part. I like it when it's all jaggedy and not uniform, because when I take it out, it doesn't matter. They're just getting turned into a twist out, so it does not have to be perfect. I just put in the leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna take some coconut oil in my hand. And work my way up. I come out first. Twist all the products in and everything. All right, so I am starting the 2-strand twist in the back. I always do 3 layers when I usually do the flat twist for a twist out. And at the ends, I coil it up around my finger so it makes a nice little coil. And I go into the next section and I repeat. Okay, so now I'm at the front. I forgot to speak for some reason to explain it. I think I was concentrating so much of combing it and doing a perfect example. I'm silly. But you'll want to take the top piece and you'll twist it over twice. And then you will start grabbing hair and doing the 2-strand twist. So you'll twist and grab some little bit of hair. Twist, grab some hair, twist, and grab some hair. And then you'll do the 2-strand twist all the way down. Comb it through. Take a small section from the top. Start the 2 strands, 1 and 2, and then start grabbing hair. Twist, grab hair. Twist, grab some hair. Twist, grab hair. Twist and grab hair, and you'll start doing the 2-strand twist all the way down. This does take some practice, and at first nothing ever looks great, but when you keep practicing over and over again, I swear you'll get it. Don't quit. So when I get towards the top middle, I always do a straight back instead of down to the sides. That is just my personal preference. You can do the flat twist in any way that you feel will look right on you. After different tries, this is just how I prefer to do my flat twist out. I go and get my scarf. I put my scarf on for the day or night. So twist it up around your head. Get ready for bed. I'm actually getting ready for a drive. So add a little bit of coconut oil on your hair and smooth it through. I'm at my mom's house now. Sorry for the change of background. So I start taking out the flat twist slowly, and each section I go up, you'll feel like the piece of hair that you grabbed falls out, and so you just pull that down and it will not frizz up. I've never had a frizzing problem with taking out my flat twist when I do it correctly. If you feel like you get a little snag, go towards the end and then unravel it a bit and then start moving towards the top of the twist. Because if you just pull it out, then that could possibly create frizz with the flat twist. Don't mind my brother in the background. So you'll want to take an afro comb or pick or wide tooth comb, and you want to lift at the roots. And this is up to you of how much lifting you want, how much volume, how big you want your hair to be, and how you want the finished product to look, and what shape you're going for. I want to thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. I will be coming out with more hair videos, holistic videos, spiritual videos. I'm going to try my best to give you guys a rounded video library. Thank you again for watching Peace, Love, and KaleGreens. I appreciate it.